I have a call from a call. I have a message, an email message that reached us from Bogotá. Sending you kisses. I love Colombia. Do you like Colombia? How cool. Colombia. Huh? No, wait. I only asked you, honey, if you like Colombia, not Colombian women. You're sleeping in the tub, my dear boy, okay? In the fountain outside his house, my handsome. Right away, it's right away. Colombian men are also very handsome, of course, with pleasure. Well, the question is this. She heard many years ago about a recipe I gave about putting a glass of water next to the bed, but she would drink it, and her mom told her, honey, do you really know if you're supposed to drink it, throw it out, or where to put it? So, my queen, beautiful life, precious, adorable. Keep your little thermos next to your bed, sweetie, and drink water. You don't drink the glass of water, little one. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna give you this great tip. When we are asleep, we are resting, we're disconnected, our auric level can drop, and suddenly we can feel uncomfortable, restless, desperate. Also because we have a ton of electronic things in the room that don't let us rest, or there are many mirrors, or black colors, or red colors. But right now, specifically, the little glass of water. We're gonna put a little glass of water next to our bed, on the nightstand or the bedside table. Leave that little glass of water there all night. The next morning, we're not gonna give it to the plants because it might be contaminated by the energies in the environment. Otherwise, well, water isn't thrown away, it's given to nature. But we do it. We pour it into the toilet and flush the toilet. We filled a little glass with water again and leave it on the nightstand or the bedside table next to where we sleep. And you can do it with kids, teens, adults. For example, for babies, it's suggested to put it under their crib, in the crib, at the bottom, so the environment doesn't get charged with blocked energies. We adults come home loaded with external energies, from the person you hugged, the one you kissed, the one you greeted. And those energies are mainly picked up by our girls, our boys, and the babies because their auric level is very small. My suggestion for dads, moms, everybody, all the adults, kids, teens, and so on, is when you get home, please, you walk all through your house with your shoes on, right? The ones you wore in the street. Well, no, leave your shoes there at the entrance, put on some flip-flops, some slippers, and come in. Use the indoor ones so that external energy doesn't enter your home. Same with clothes. Don't leave them in your room. Leave them just outside of your room. And, well, in conclusion, it was clear, right? Because I covered many topics, I just know so much. Put the glass of water next to the bed. The next morning, we pour it down the toilet, put a new one so energies don't invade you, and you sleep peacefully. Take as many of your electronic devices as you can, please, out of your room. Suddenly, you're there with that gadget. Go to sleep now, put it far away from you. Give it a try tonight. Take your computer, your smartphone, your tablet. I'm not saying take it out. Take out the computer and the tablet. The phone, oh, but I need it there. That's perfect, leave it there, but far from your head while you're sleeping. You'll see how well you'll rest, my dear.